Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32, and I'm coming to you today with a giveaway. So stay tuned, and I'll give you all of the details. Hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now.
Yes, yes, yes. I have a $50 Amazon giveaway gift card just for you. Yes. So let's go ahead and lay down everything. So first of all, hello to everyone. If you're new to this channel, I just want to say hello and let you know a little bit about Darkberry32 and what I bring over here to this channel. I do videos on vlogs, I do cooking videos, I even touch on fitness, I touch on nutrition at times, I give advice with my Dear Darkberry series. I also love to do thrifting and take you shopping with me, and I do haul videos, makeover, home decor, honey, all the good fun stuff. So you definitely want to stay here. If you come over here and to this channel and you discovered it, these are the types of videos that you want. They're like, they're fun. And we like to have a good time over here. We're a very positive group over here. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. And I do put up videos at least 3 times a week: Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Monday you will get my vlog, Wednesday you will get a Dear Darkberry letter, and then Friday you'll get some kind of home decor, makeover, some type of shopping haul video, something like that. Okay, so go ahead and click that notification bell button. So now that I've said all of that, I need to let you guys know the rules for the giveaway. So like I said, I am giving away a $50 Amazon gift card. I can either send it to you through the mail, or I can send it to you electronic so that you can start shopping right away. And the rules for this is I want to build my subscribers here on Darkberry32, and you guys can help me with that. And what I need from you is I need you to share some of the videos that you like with Darkberry. You get the video, you share it on your Facebook, or you share it on your Instagram, wherever. And when you share that video, you let the person know, hey, go on over and watch Darkberry32. I love this particular video, but let her know that you sent them, So it's, say for instance, if I'm doing it and I do a video, I have a video, and then I share it on my Facebook page, I'll say, hey guys, Darkberry32 is the bomb. I love this video. You need to check her out. If you go over and check her out, let her know that I sent you, and please subscribe. So basically the person needs to subscribe, and they also need to let me know that you sent them after they have subscribed to the channel. Once they have done that, then I will keep a tally here on my side to see how many people you have sent over and has subscribed. So basically it's a competition to see how many people you can get over to Darkberry32 to subscribe, and whoever has the most votes, and I will keep a tally, and I'm going to be honest, because you're going to be able to see who subscribes, because they're going to put your name in those links. So once that happens, then I will send you a $50 gift card. Whoever gives me the most subscribed people over at Darkberry32. So that is one rule. You have to share it, and you have to have them come over and say your name, and they have to subscribe. Okay, so that's all one thing right there. The second thing is I would like for them to go over to Darkberry32 on Instagram, and I need them to also, and yourself, I need you and that person to also like or follow me on on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram, and that person needs to follow me on Instagram too. And I'm going to be looking back and forth so to make sure that all those rules are being in place. Once those rules are all set in place, then you get a point. Okay, so share the video on Instagram or Facebook. Let them know that they need to come on over and subscribe or follow, and then they also need to mention your name so that way you get the point. Pretty cut and clear, right? So when is this contest going to be over? The contest will be over on February 14th. Yes, Valentine's Day, the love day. February 14th at 11:59 p.m. That is the deadline. So if you have any questions, any comments, any types of concerns to this contest, please let me know and put it in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back with you. I always respond to everyone that leaves me a message. So again, guys, go ahead, get out there, start sharing. You have an incentive now, a $50 Amazon gift card that you can spend on whatever, honey. I'm not going to be judging you. Whatever you need or you want over at Amazon, you can do that, okay? So again, thank you again for tuning into this video. I hope you liked it. Go ahead and start sharing. You can start right now today. As early as today, but they need to go ahead, and follow those rules. And I'll make sure I put all those rules in the description box below so that you're not confused about anything. All right. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. You know you want it. All right, guys, thank you again so much for watching my video. But if you would like to stay in contact with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can do so by following me on Facebook at Darkberry032 and Darkberry32 on Twitter and Instagram. I'm always on Instagram putting up different videos. And again, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out a lot with YouTube, and it'll get my algorithms up to par and everything. So if you guys appreciate these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. Okay, guys, thank you again. Bye.